Alright guys, today we went flea market, drive by a yard sale, where we come and buy a door and a fridge and a door screen. So she have all type of stuff right here. She have microwave, a ladder, the heaters, and she got all the equipment outside for cooking, doors and all of that stuff. So she's all everything look like, guys. All that's the kitchen item right there. She got everything right there, like cabinet and everything. Nice cabinet. That's bathroom stuff for cabinet over this way. Okay, guys. I'll show you guys what we get. We get a mini fridge, small fridge, and one screen door and a door. That's a beautiful door for our house. I think it's 36 by 80. 36 by 80. And very nice. Yeah. There's the guy over there different. He had sell flea market. She do it at the house. Ah, but damn, they're with us. It's very hot. How you guys doing? Good? Good? Laya? Yeah. They're with us today. Jess and Cassie. I used to take them out with me everywhere I go. It's been a while since I don't take them out. So today we decided to take them out. Spend some time with them so they can have fun. Because when I used to have the truck, I used to take them places often because the truck is later. But my car is, the seat is cloth. So I don't like them left in here all over the place. So my wife driving the truck, so I don't really take them places that much. Yeah, guys, this is how everything looks like. If you guys are interested in getting anything for all your houses, you guys can leave a comment and let me know so I can link you guys to this so she can sell you guys what you guys need, okay? Bye.